Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Kraken account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRAT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will have options for 2FA methods, such as using an authentication app like Google Authenticator or receiving SMS codes. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Complete the setup. After choosing your method, follow the prompts to link your 2FA method to your Kraken account. This may involve scanning a QR code or entering a verification code. Once completed, ensure that 2FA is active by logging out and logging back in. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and backed up.